If you're looking to optimize your front end light output and need a solid dual bracket to do it, these Prevail series mounting brackets with the upper and lower light mount will be a great pick for your 2018 or newer JL Wrangler. Now this will be great for the JL owner looking to customize their lighting setup with a multi-light mounting system for additional visibility on dark back roads and trails. This is also a great pick if you're looking for a uniquely styled option with some sportier touches compared to some other no-frill choices. This set of brackets will accommodate a 49.5 to 50.5 inch light bar at the top and accommodate any smaller pod lighting down at the bottom. Now what I do think is notable about this option is that it's not only just a tab for the lower light mount. Now this is going to have a box-like construction with a mount up at the top, and it's also going to have a hole at the bottom, so you will be able to mount up 2 lights on one mount and configure them however you want. Now not to mention the multiple cutouts over on the side are really going to add some unique styling, and you do get some logoing up at the top and in the middle here, which is just going to add that extra branded styling. The brackets will be made of a 3/16 inch steel plating, being durable and rigid to support really any lighting that you pair with this. Now speaking of support, I like how that this is not going to completely cover the cowl, offering more of that minimal appearance. On top, these will feature a nice textured black powder coat finish, and these will have a foam gasket for the inside to prevent any surface scratching on your paint to keep it in mint condition. Now, the brackets will also utilize all of the factory mounting holes and come with longer hardware for an OE style fit. These will come in at roughly $225 for the kit, and I think that that's fair for the features that you're getting here. Now comparing these to other choices, these are going to provide you the flexibility to customize your setup and are going to offer a unique look when doing so. So I think if you're looking for a little bit more than the average bracket, especially when this comes with a little bit more as far as the longer hardware and the gasket to make sure that everything is going to stay clean and clear on the side of your JL, then this is going to be a great way to do it. Install will be a simple 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, taking you about an hour to get the job done with some basic hand tools. Now speaking of the install, one of our customers here has actually installed this on their JL and is going to walk you through what that process looks like step by step. So that's going to wrap it up for me. Let's go ahead and get into it.
And tools that were required for the install on the light bar is all in your Jeep pack. Comes supplied with your Jeep Wranglers, your wrench, and your 2 Torx. This one here goes for your windshield hinge. This longer, smaller one goes for your on your lower pillar. I've got everything unboxed now. Now I'm going to take these foam pieces and put them on the brackets to help if there's any possible rubbing. It'll help protect the paint on the Jeep. What you do is pull the paper backing off. And there's one for each side. Just match up the holes. Self-adhesive tape on there so you don't have to worry about it. So just line up the holes, press it down, make sure it's got a good bond. And you want to make sure you get this in the correct spot first time because it is very sticky tape. Just repeat for the other side. Now I'm going to be removing 3 total bolts. These 2 here, this one here. I have brand new hardware that came with the light bars. The tool I'm using is the kit that comes with the Jeep. I tried to start with this one here, and that didn't work out well, so put these 2 in first, put this one in last. a little easier to get this started. Stuck that one down, stuck these two down. That's all done. And then you just repeat on the other side, same as what I did there. Now I'm going to be doing the passenger side, with the exact same removal and install as you do on the driver's side. It makes it real easy to do this. 3 bolts and the with a nice heavy duty light bracket. Everything matches up perfectly, looks real nice. Also kind of a bonus, this will help protect your A-pillar from rocks, damaging the paint too. Make sure they're nice and tight. That's it. All done.
So that's going to wrap it up for my review and the install on these Prevail series mounting brackets with the upper and lower light mounts fitting all 2018 and newer JL Wranglers. And remember, for all things Jeep, keep it right here at extremeterrain.com.